Hey there, Bigsters and Lego friends. Well, I've been not around lately for too much because I've been on vacation. I've been doing stuff, and then this week I went to do some videos, and in the back room there I had a flood, and it was due to my own stupidity. So anyway, that had to take precedent over everything and get that mess cleaned up. And there's stuff out here like doors and everything. So, and now it kind of stank because there was rotten plaster and everything. It got really gross smelling. So we had plaster there that we had some work done on our electric panel, and I got the little smelly machine going here, putting some smellitizer cotton candy in here. But anyway, we'll get back to it. There is Harry Potter's castle that I've been working on, and got some foam edging on the thing there. It's coming along. It's just been taking a long time because I've been coming and going, and I haven't really done too much the past month. So anyway, I apologize for not getting any videos out and or work done, but I promise it's coming. It's coming. I'm going to try to do videos for Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Maybe something on a Saturday or something in between, I'm not sure. But Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are going to be my video days from now on for a while, because I just got so much other stuff going on in life. And but anyway, this is coming along now, this new section here with the Harry Potter section. So yeah, I just don't know what to say. It's coming along. It's really coming along. I haven't bought any new Harry Potter sets lately, so I don't know. Actually, I did buy one, but I'm not opening it till December. It is the Advent calendar, so watch for that in the month of December, starting December 1st. So we'll crack that open then, and until then, I got some stuff to build, and I'll get in there. Now, this space here in the amusement park, there's been talk and thought about putting some dinosaurs back in, because we have Fred Flintstone in there, and make this kind of like Dino Land / Jurassic Park area. Very much anticipated in there. And then I got this ride here. However, I want to get that new Friends ride that has the swing. I think it's called the Friends Dockside or something like that, or pier. Friends Amusement Pier. With the big sort of pirate ship that has the roller coaster in it, and the swingy ride thing, the swings, because I don't have a swings. So that might actually go here, because we got enough motorized stuff down at that end of the park. So I'm thinking that's where it might go. It's really hard to tell, because right now things are getting cramped in here, as you can see, and you know, I got to keep the Harry Potter Wizarding World as it is here, because we're going to have the bridge go over there, of course, to the section that leads down into the Quidditch field. So we had, of course, Diagon Alley and Nocturne Alley in there, and over here Hogsmeade. More Harry Potter here, and here, and then we got Space Mountain on the corner, which is kind of underneath the Winter Village set. So we got like Friends and Frozen on the top, and of course just the Christmassy sets and such in the middle layer, with the train that will be going around. Just have to wire that up. Lights are in there, of course, and yeah. So, oh yeah, and I got the parcel from Lego for the missing pieces of, you guessed it, the firehouse down there, because there was 2 or 3 missing pieces of that, and now we got the right pieces, so we have to pull that out and put them in. So that'll be done someday. But that's about it. I just got to clean up the mess now here in my area, and we'll be going from there. Like I said, I had a flood, had to get those doors out, I had to clean out that back room, and that took well over a week. So anyway, that's it. Hope to see you guys again soon, and until then, happy building, and well, have fun, I guess. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.